Andrea, we call her Bob because she's beat red. We pulled over on the highway, so all her lunch went out her mouth. She puked all over the freeway. It's on her feet, all over the place. Say it ain't so, you puked out your Wendy's. It got all over Becca, and now her hair stinks. La 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 la. Becca got a big ol' nasty hickey. It's on her neck for all to see. It just
disgusted me.
Say it ain't so. Who knows who it's from? One day it's Charles, and now it's Tom. Now they hate me, but I don't care, 'cause they just puke.
One more. Come on now. Andrew, Priscilla, Carissa, Pam.
Those are going to get ugly.